Born in 1998 to Clive and Jean Mukundu, Takakunda Mukundu is emerging as a musical force to reckon with, having built his career from Prince Edward School and later on attending the Zimbabwe College of Music. Now, this young man is a very gifted drummer, saxophonist, mbira, marimba, and guitarist like his legendary father, Mono Mukundu. Now, we welcome to Good Morning Zimbabwe, Takakunda Mukundu. Good morning and welcome to GMZ.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
We are very excited to have you. You know, we've been dying to get our hands on you and getting here on this beautiful set of ours. Now, you are affectionately known as Monolith and your dad is Ngesha. Can you clarify? We've always wanted to know about this. Tell us a little bit more about that.
The term monolith came from, you know, how a child of a pig, it's a piglet. So monolith came from, you know, that concept, you know, yes.
Right.
Mukuru wacho yanonzi Nyashi. Mudiki wacho yanonzi Takakunda.
Munoona vana vachata zvekuimba here kana kuti pane zvino zvamutwa?
Komana ichi ndochinomboedza kuda zvekurizariza ndo wandinoona kuti pamwe angade zvekuimba.
Never for money. I ain't getting boy.
What's up with it, my guy? I'm good. How's it going?
It's good.
All right, good to have you on the show.
Yeah, it's nice to be here.
All right, great.
Takakunda Mukundu.